That's hail. That's hail for sure. And the air has this green tint to it, like I said. Let me get a picture of the hail. These small pieces. Cheryl, are you watching the regular news or are you watching regular news? Because it's got that green tint to the air, and I was just wondering if there was like a tornado warning.
We have David watching this in that vicinity as it continues to track east. We'll go back to our camera system. This is again 71st 169. This is looking
So
back
just
to
a
the
tornado
east,
watch.
southeast. You can see just a lot of low clouds, a lot of heavy rainfall. This is looking back towards the Broken Arrow area. You can see a lot of moisture associated with this, a lot of cloud.
It was
lightning
hailing,
strikes. Just intense thought. That's the capability of producing some strong winds as this kicks east towards Coweta. Lufkin, this is just in the city.
We are
We're not dealing
here.
with too away a tornado threat right now, so that's good news. Earlier we had the tornado, but as it shifted east, it became a little more stable across the area. We have multiple chasers out and about across the region right now. Let's go over to Owasso on our way to our Be With the Camera network. And you can see in Owasso right now,